I'm going to show you guys the ZenStorage cotton linen drawer organizers. Now, these typically and mostly are used for baby clothes in drawers or in changing tables, but honestly, these are going to make your daily life easier in a quiet, practical way, whether it's for baby clothes or not. So I'm going to show you how I use them in my closet. The first thing pulling them out, you're going to notice how soft but structured they are. The cotton linen fabric feels nice and neutral, and once you unfold them, they actually hold their shape really well. They're not going to collapse the second you put clothes in it, which was something I was worried about, but it doesn't do that, just so you know. I like that this is the multi-size set. It makes organizing feel a little bit less forced, and you can use the smaller ones for socks, onesies, or accessories, and the larger ones for bigger items like pajamas or folded outfits, bras, purses. Everything finally has its own place, which makes finding things faster, especially during busy mornings. Here are the different sizes that you're going to get. Now, these can fit nicely in dresser drawers or changing tables without taking up extra room. I'm actually going to be using them in my closet here on my shelves. The beige color blends in with pretty much any neutral decor. Nothing feels bulky or out of place, and when you don't need them, you fold them down flat, which is nice if you ever want to switch things up and store them away. What I appreciate most is that these don't feel like a temporary solution. They hold up well, stay in place, and they make my closet easier to keep organized instead of constantly having to redo it. I was sent these to test out, and I would definitely recommend them, whether for a baby, a nursery room, or if you're looking to organize your dresser or your closet like I have done here.